Have you ever felt like you understood something until someone asked you to explain it and suddenly your brain froze? That's because you understood the concept, but not deeply enough. What you need is a better way to truly understand, not just memorize. That's where Richard Feynman, a Nobel Prize-winning physicist, comes in. The Feynman Technique is one of the smartest ways to learn anything. Let's break down the technique in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a topic. Start by picking a topic you want to understand. It could be something from school, work, or even a book. Write the topic at the top of a blank page. Let's say you want to learn compound interest. Great. Now move to Step 2. Step 2. Explain it simply. Now, after understanding the concept, try to explain the idea as if you're teaching a 12-year-old child or to someone who is not familiar with the concept. No technical terms, no fluff. Use your own words. For example, compound interest is like planting a tree. At first it grows slowly, but after a while that tree starts growing seeds, and those seeds grow more trees. Over time, you don't just have one tree, you have a whole forest. It's simple, it's visual, and you'll remember it. If you get stuck while explaining, that's a good sign. It means there's something you still need to understand better. Step 3. Find the gaps. The child might ask, okay, I get it. Turning one tree into a forest sounds cool, but doesn't that take forever, like hundreds of years? If I want to use compound interest to grow my money, how much time and money would I need to make, say, $1 million? And that's when you realize you don't actually know how interest is calculated, or why reinvesting your earnings is such a big deal. So you go back, study a bit more, and try explaining it again, this time with a better understanding. The goal isn't to be perfect. The goal is to spot the gaps in what you thought you knew. That's the magic of learning. Find the gap and fill it. That's what most people skip. Step 4. Simplify and use analogy. Now take your messy explanation and clean it up using simple words or analogies. Maybe now it becomes, compound interest is like rolling a snowball. At first it's small, but the more it rolls, the bigger and faster it grows. You've now translated a technical concept into a picture your brain can keep. Most people study by reading or watching videos, but that's passive. The Feynman technique makes you engage with what you're learning. You have to explain it, test it, fix it, and refine it. So the next time you learn something, don't highlight it. Explain it, teach it, test it. That's how smart people actually learn faster. That's the Feynman technique.